It's your boy Richards. Now I'm back with another video. Y'all, I got something special for my bike today, y'all. Rideoutsupply just sent me my stickers, and in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing it, putting it on, and let's get straight into it. Guys, it's time to unbox it. I'm gonna unbox it and show y'all, and let's get straight into it. We're trying to make sure that we don't rip the stickers. So it says, Pete, thank you for the support, Matthew, Rideoutsupply. Alright, so the stickers that we got here is 2 of my Instagram stickers. One right here, and I have another one right here too. And I have 1 Rideoutsupply sticker. Appreciate it, Rideoutsupply. And now we're gonna go clean the bike off with the alcohol right here. Hold on. Got the alcohol and my napkins right here too. Came prepared, so we're gonna get straight into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clean the bike. I'm gonna clean somewhere right here because I'm gonna put one of my Instagram stickers right here. So let's get straight into it. Gonna try it now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna clean the other side and then I'm gonna put one of my other Instagram stickers on. So let's get started. Alright y'all. I'm gonna put on the first sticker now. Sticker will be on it. I'm gonna take it off now. Big boy, you on the track. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be putting on the last sticker right here. Right here, I'm gonna put it like right here. Make sure there is no bubbles. Take it off. I'm gonna be putting on my last sticker right here, Rideoutsupply. And I just want to say thank you, Rideoutsupply, for sending me these stickers. And guys, I paid $12.84 for these, and I bought 2 sets of Instagram. I'm gonna be putting it right here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take it off slowly now. Like, comment, subscribe for more good videos. And more good videos will be coming out on the bike soon. And make sure y'all check out the cameraman. His links gonna be in the bio.